If you belong to or have started several group text messages, it's important to be able to see at a glance which chat is which so you don't send the wrong comment to the wrong group. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to add group chat names to each group message on your iPhone. That way you can easily find your text thread when you need it. So how do you name a group text? Well, first you open your Messages app, and then tap on the paper and pencil icon to create a new message. And after you've sent your first message, tap the tiny arrow to the right of the number of people in your group. Tap the info icon, tap change name and photo, tap enter a group name, and then name your group. Tap done once you're finished. To name or rename an older group chat, if you'd like to name a group text that already exists or you want to give your group message a new name, here's how. Open the conversation and tap on the small arrow to the right of the group name, and then tap on the info icon. Tap change name and photo, then tap the X to delete your old name, and then enter your new name, and tap done to finish. And that's it! Now you know how to name a group chat on your iPhone.
If you enjoyed this video tip and would like to see more, go to iPhonelife.com/insider.